How to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio without 1,000 followers. This tutorial shows you how to unlock the website link feature by switching to a business account on your Android device. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy from the options. In the next step, tap on Account and then tap on Switch to Business Account. Following this, select the category that best describes your account and tap Next to proceed. Once done, your account will now be switched to a business account, unlocking additional features including the website link option. From here, go back to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. At this stage, scroll down and you'll now see a website field that wasn't available before. After this, tap on it and type in or paste the link you want to add to your bio. Finally, tap Save to confirm and your clickable link will now be visible on your TikTok profile for anyone to tap and visit. And that's it. If this TikTok guide helped you add a link to your bio, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.